Fatal accidents at work, being crushed or hit by falling objects. Fatal crush injuries occur several times each year at Swedish workplaces. These incidents occur most often in manufacturing, industry, farming, as well as work in forestry and construction. Fatal injuries are caused by everything from animals and trees to blast stone and machinery. In many cases, the accident relates to technical issues in objects or equipment used in work. Recurring circumstances behind these fatal accidents include failure to assess risks of the specific task, insufficient instructions or failure to follow them, failure to implement or follow proper protective measures, and failure to eliminate known errors and defects. The risk of fatal accidents is higher at the beginning or end of a work shift and while performing new tasks. At av.se, you can read more about how to work systematically to achieve a safer workplace. No work should lead to sickness, injury, or death.